Hello students, in this video we will see the difference between recursive function and iterative function, that is recursion and looping. We have to find the differences. The definition of recursion is the function calls itself again and again, and the definition of a looping statement, that is iterative function, that allows a set of instruction to be repeatedly executed using a looping that is based on the condition. That is why it is called as conditional loops. The format of recursive function is only termination condition, that is base case, is satisfied. That means always the termination is possible whenever we have the repeated call and the base case is satisfied. In case of recursive function, it is true only when the base case is reached. At that time that repetitive call will be stopped. In the same way, the iterative function actually contains the initialization, condition and execution of statement, loop and update, that is increment or decrement. It will contain these different parts of the loop. So whenever we have the initial value and the final value, until we reach that final value, the loop will be repeatedly executed. Here the function will have the loop. In the recursion, the function itself will be repeatedly executed until the base case is reached. The termination takes place in recursion whenever the base case, that is condition, will be satisfied to force the function to return the value without recursive call. That means repetitive call will be stopped when there is a base case satisfied. In iterative function, that is looping, the repeated execution of some set of statement will be contained and there will be a condition. Whenever that condition is satisfied, that becomes false, at that time the loop will be stopped, that means terminated. The condition, again base case will be the base condition, that means the condition which actually stops the recursion. Similarly, whenever that condition becomes false in case of iterative function, the loop will be repeated. So if the base case is not satisfied in recursion, then it leads to infinite recursion. That means a function will call again and again and again without the termination. That means that becomes infinite recursion. Similarly, if the control condition in the iterative statement never becomes false, that leads to infinite iteration. That means loop will be repeated without stop, without termination. That becomes infinite loop or infinite iteration. So infinite repetition in recursive function can crash the system itself, but in case of iterative function, infinite loop uses more CPU cycles repeatedly. There is no damage to the system in case of iterative function, that is looping. Applicability, where we can apply the recursion and where we can apply the iterative function. Recursion is always applied to functions. When the function wants to call itself again and again, at that time recursion is useful and that is a better choice. But whenever the looping is used, at that time some set of statements will be repeatedly executed. That is why it is called as iteration or looping. The stack is used to store the set of new local variables and parameters whenever there is recursive call, that is again and again, that is called. So it is more memory consuming. So since stack is used for each recursive call, memory will be used. In case of iterative function, it does not use the stack, so less memory is required for iterative function. Overhead means much memory or much time is consumed in recursive function, that itself is the overhead, and in case of iterative function there is no overhead for recursive function call, because in iterative function there will be no recursive function call, only the statement will be repeatedly executed until the condition is satisfied. So there is no overhead in looping system. So speed of recursive function is slow since it requires storing the new variables and new parameters into the stack, and whenever there is a return, it has to pop the value from the stack. So that is why memory usage is more in case of recursive function, that is why it requires more time. But on the other hand, iterative function is fast in execution because there is no much memory used. There will be no new memory will be used for storing new variables. That is why the same variables are used for calculating the next value in the repetition. That is why it uses the same set of memory for all its repetitive steps. So that is why it is faster compared to recursive function. The code size will be less in case of recursion, but compared to iterative function it uses more set of statements in iterative function, that is looping function. Here we have two examples to find the factorial of n. One is by using the recursive method and another by using the iterative method. So in this video we have discussed about definition of both recursive function and iterative function. Similarly, termination, condition, infinite repetition of recursion and looping, stack usage in recursion and looping, memory usage, overhead, speed and code size with a simple example of recursion and iterative function. Thank you for watching this video.